It was a tense courtroom as a judge ruled to stay the charge against a Saskatoon woman who hit and killed a 9-year-old child. Bailey Maurice was going to school on September 9th, 2021, pushing her scooter at a crosswalk on 33rd Street West when she was hit by Kennedy's truck. At the crash scene, before police read out her rights, Kennedy told officers she vaped marijuana and microdosed magic mushrooms the day prior. Kennedy was charged with impaired driving exceeding the prescribed blood-drug concentration of THC causing death. The judge ruled Kennedy's case was not handled within a reasonable time, prompting some in the gallery to yell at the judge, calling her a racist. Additional sheriffs were brought in as people continued to shout and the judge rushed out the door.
We're obviously very happy with the judge's decision to stay the proceeding for unreasonable delay. We've been saying for some time now that the trial has taken too long.
Matters at Canadian provincial courts must reach a conclusion by 18 months. The judge ruled Kennedy's matter took about 24 months. Even if the judge didn't stay the charges because of timing, the defense believes the case would have been thrown out over how police handled the investigation.
This was a prosecution that was flawed from the get-go.
And while the Crown did not speak to journalists after the decision, the defense says it's expecting the prosecution to file an appeal.
This little girl deserves justice, and that's not what we got. The court system is filled with nothing but systematic racism, not only towards the Indigenous community, but towards other communities of color.
And I want to believe that justice does happen, but on days like this, it's really hard for me to say that I'm a lawyer and that I'm proud of it.
The girl's family says they're bracing for another tough Christmas without their loved one, leaving the courthouse still searching for justice. Laura Woodward, CTV News, Saskatoon.